I'm Sandy Schroeck for LBR Inspires, and today we're going to take a little bit different look at a dozen rose design. Right now we're getting roses in from Ecuador, and the bloom size is just amazing. Some of the new varieties that they've developed really has a high petal count and that large head, and when we put them into our rose designs, lots of times your view is just of the bottom of that rose. So I want to take a look at an arrangement today that takes advantage of being able to see those roses and the beauty of that bloom being exposed a little bit more. So I've done a rose design here. I started with a stem grid pattern of the Salal leaves and then came in with the 5 roses on the base. And those, I pull my base to the edge and I'm going to come in and measure where they're going to be. And this one here is about 1.5 times the height of the base. And then my next ones are up in that 2.5 times the height of the vase. But so I have a pattern here. I've got 5 on the base, then 5 on the next level right here, and finishing up with the 2 in the middle. So 5, 5, 2 gives me that dozen roses, so I don't have to count and recount on my design. It'll help improve my efficiency and just give me a little bit different look in my cooler. We do have some other ideas for Valentine's to do with rose design. One is an enchanted heart design that's on our YouTube playlist. So we'll add the link here on the video and also down in the bio. But take a look at that and think about some other options that you might have to just change up that dozen rose and just give a little bit more of an elevated look. Talk to your customers about why you're doing it and that you're getting those awesome roses with that higher petal count, and educate them on the tight blooms and high petal count and not removing all the guard petals, so you get a little bit of that coloration and they feel it's okay. So I hope you take this opportunity to give this a try and upgrade your dozen roses.